Today we're looking at a car that's creating a buzz across the automotive industry. The 2025 Citroën 2CV. Let's get right into it. The 2025 Citroën 2CV is not just a car, it's a revival of an icon. The original 2CV, a symbol of practicality and charm, was a cultural phenomenon. Now, Citroën has brought it back, blending retro charm with modern innovation. From its unmistakable silhouette to its cutting-edge features, this car perfectly balances
Starting
nostalgia
with the design
and progress. The 2025 2CV captures the essence of the original with its signature rounded shape, minimalist lines, and those quirky yet functional fenders. The new version retains the iconic shape, but introduces a sleeker, more aerodynamic profile. LED lighting elements modernize the classic headlights, and the fabric roof is a nod to the original, allowing for an open-air driving experience. It's a car that stands out on the road, turning heads while paying homage to its roots. Under the hood, the 2025 2CV represents a leap into the future. Citroën has equipped it with a fully electric powertrain, making it both environmentally friendly and efficient. The motor delivers about 150 horsepower, which is perfect for city commutes and weekend getaways. The battery pack provides a range of up to 250 miles on a single charge, making it practical for daily use. Citroën also offers fast charging capability, allowing you to charge up to 80% in just 30 minutes. The driving experience of the new 2CV is where old meets new. The lightweight body and responsive handling give you a sense of agility, reminiscent of the original. Meanwhile, the electric motor provides smooth acceleration and nearsighted operation, a significant improvement in comfort and refinement. Inside, Citroën has designed the 2025 2CV to be as charming as its exterior. The interior combines retro-inspired elements with modern technology. The dashboard features a simple layout, echoing the utilitarian style of the original, but with a digital twist. A central touchscreen provides access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls, while a minimalist instrument cluster keeps you focused on the road. Comfort has been a priority in the 2025 model. The seats are plush, yet they maintain the unique charm of the classic 2CV. The generous use of sustainable materials inside adds to the eco-friendly appeal of the car. Despite its compact dimensions, the car offers ample headroom and legroom thanks to clever interior design. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2025 2CV comes with a suite of modern driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features ensure that while the 2CV may look like a blast from the past, it's fully equipped to meet today's safety standards. Citroën's decision to revive the 2CV is more than a nod to nostalgia. It's a statement of how the brand can evolve while staying true to its identity. By blending classic design cues with electric technology, Citroën has created a car that appeals to a wide audience, from vintage car lovers to environmentally conscious drivers looking for a stylish yet practical ride. The 2025 Citroën 2CV is expected to hit dealerships later this year, and it's anticipated to be competitively priced, making it an accessible option for many. Whether you're looking for a unique city car or a second vehicle that brings joy to every drive, this modern iteration of the 2CV could be the perfect fit. That's it for today's look at the 2025 Citroën 2CV. Let us know in the comments what you think about this modern twist on a classic. Would you consider driving one? Don't forget to subscribe to Automaster Cars for more deep dives into the latest car releases, reviews, and industry news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.